So we already discussed in different type of accounting part in our previous videos. So we also know that which type of business activity and which type of business responsibility and which type of business configurations also maintain in a proper way in your company. Okay, so today's class also be discussed regarding this matter, but we also discussed in the previous class the already different type of parameter used in SAP. So how we configure the parameter in our system to maintain our accounting report and each and every company data, even each and every company business portfolios. So today's class we will discuss all of things matters. Okay, so first of all, today's topic is what is main element in any module. What is the main element of any module? Okay, number 2, what is a organizational unit in FICO, and number 3, how we configure it in SAP systems. So first of all, we should be know which type of main element is required for any type of module. If you are a beginner and if you switch your career in SAP field and you also know the accounting concept very well, you also know the Italian very well, you also know Finacle very well, but if you come any type of background side, any type of software operating sides, if you come any type of operations, you will domain experience, but when you come in our SAP field, the total configuration is different. Concept is similar, but configuration is fully different, because SAP is a single platform software. So in that case, SAP always provide different type of parameters. So first of all, if you don't know each and every parameter, how it works and how is the theoretical process, how is the practical approach, if you don't know each and every methods or each and every terminology or each and every concept, you can't handle any type of activity in SAP systems. Okay, for this regardings, so first of all, if you go for the theoretical concept, then first you clear your theoretical concept, each and every part fully furnished. If you go for the FICO module, not only FICO module, any type of module, so first of all, as per your capability, you adopt each and every configurations and each and every theoretical concept very smoothly it will be converted. Okay, so first of all, we will discuss what is the main element of any module. Okay, so main element, what is main element of every module? Main element means that this type of element is a pillar of any module. Just if you build up a bridge, over bridge, or just like a river bridge, so you know that the already total bridge we fully depend on the pillars. So that time this pillar also be main element in the any module. So this element is a main any module. So what is the main element? Main element is that first of all, organizational units, next master data, next transaction data, next document, and next report. So this 5 element is a pillar of any type of SAP module. If your concept is totally lack in these sections, you can't handle any type of SAP module functional task. So first of all, if your subject is strong, if your concept is strong in this element, then in future you easily handle any type of case study of the business, any type of business transition portfolio, and any type of real case studies. So that case, so first of all, our first priority is to get the concept in each and every topic and each and every element in this matter. So let's, our next part is each and every, discuss the each and every element. The first question is that what is organization unit in SAP? The first of questions is that what is organizations? What is organization? What is organizations? Just like a simple examples I will give you. If you assume this is a box, so can you say this is a go down or home? Which one? Yes, in these pictures, when you show the pictures, that time you normally say that this is a go down, cause nothing of the part is covered by any type of activities. Okay, storage area, this is a storage area, this is a go down, nothing different about this is a box. Different type of opinions will come in this picture when you show the pictures. So when we draw it another field, this type of field also, this type of different type of field, adding different type of field. So suppose this field is our drawing room, this is our kitchen, this is our bedroom, this is our veranda, this type of also be playing room, this type of storeroom. Okay, so right now when you saw the pictures, these pictures, then what you say? This is go down or this is a home? Yes, this obviously homes, because these elements or these components also denotes this is the homes. If you go for if you want to go for any definitions of the home, then is what is a home? Home is nothing else. If you in each and every home, different type of components over there. So drawing room, bedroom, kitchen, toilets. So this is the main elements of each and every house or room. Okay, so this is our units. This is our units. If we assume that this box is our organizations and this part is our organizations units, so in the SCV field, in this SCV field, the organization structure is totally different. In the SCV field, each and every part also maintain a good portfolio or good entities and good proper units. This is called our organization's path. So in this sections, each and every entity also maintain hierarchies. Each and entity also maintain hierarchy. And what is entity and what is hierarchy maintain, which type of hierarchy maintain, we will be discuss in the upcoming sessions. So in that case, we know that each and every entity also responds for the previous ones. Okay, so right now we discuss in this matter. So each and every organizations needs such a element. This is called our organization units. Okay, so first of questions, what is client? What is client? Client, a commercially organizations and technical self-contained unit within a SAP systems. Client have their own master records and set of tables. The client is the highest level of the SAP system hierarchies. The specification that you make or data that you enter at this level and valid for all company codes and all the other. Okay, so we discuss in these lines. A commercially, organizationally and technically self-contained unit within a SAP systems. Okay, it means that, and also know that in this picture showing you that this is an umbrella, this is an umbrella, and here 200 and 100 also mentioned here. So in these pictures, different type of questions will be arising in mind. What is this, and what is umbrella, what is number, what is the, okay, let us explain all of things. So you know that SAP ERP software is a single platform software, okay. So in that case, each and every activity also record in this table. If you assume this is a main table, and in this type of activity, which type of activity, just like a financial activity, just like a business studies activity, just like a manufacturing activity, production activities, HR activities, marketing activities. So all type of activities also maintain this master tables. This is a master tables. So in that case, in the SAP point of view, this is our client, the main root of independent main root of entities. In this client, different type of individual entity daily task by regularly activities also maintained by the client. This is not a concept of merchant client concept. This is not a concept of the merchant or client. If you don't go this time, the interviewer already ask you question regarding this matter. What is client? So in that case, you will be say that client is a individual entity that maintain the whole functional and business activities in this area. So is responsible. Suppose like this client number is 100. So 100 client. This is the 100 client. This is the 100 clients. The 100 clients maintain all type of activity in these master tables. So in future, any SAP consultant, if you search regarding this client number base, suppose you search 100 is a client number, so which type of activity also work on? Then 100 also showing all type of business activities, financial activities, marketing activities, all type of activity also recorded in this field. They will show you the 100 also show you the which type of activity also saved and recorded, and which type of activity going on, and what configurations also set in this module. So this is our called client. Okay, so if you go for the any single platforms, then each and activity, just like a material management, just like a sales and distributions, just like a accounting management. So each and every module also denote client number, 1000 client number, 800 client number. So in this client number, using this client number, we also maintain this what going on in your system and which type of activity also save in these systems. Okay, so this is our client. So that case, so in this case, this system also, this is the single umbrella, SAP also single umbrella. Okay, this is single platforms, and 200 and 100 is our client number. Okay, so client have their own master records and set of tables. The client is the highest level of the SAP system hierarchy. Specification that you make or data that you enter at this level are valid for all company codes and for all other organizational structures. So if you go to the next part, and company code, if you get the concept company and company code, thereafter your client concept should be clear. Okay, Suppose you assume that you have family, you have a family, this is your family. Okay, in that case, this your dad, this your moms, and this you, and this your sister. So in that case, that is our all type of daddy and mommy. These are parents. So they also decide all of things. But in the major part, also discuss the final recommendations maintained by the fathers. So in that case, in SAP systems, the father of all activity is known as client. The father of all activity is known as each and activity that going on in your room, in your home, in each activity, father is the master, the judge. If you any type of illegal activity, the father will be judge. What is good for you and what is a bad for you. The which should be working down next. Okay. So client is our father of total modules. Next, what is company? This is the main important topic on this our client organization needs. What is a company? The smallest organization unit for which individual financial statements are created according to the relevant legal requirements. A company can include one or more company codes. Yes, the company. What is a company? Yes, when you ask you questions, what is your company? You always say that, sir, company is a just like a Tata, just like a Birla, just like a Maruti Suzuki, just like a Hyundai. This is the company. Yes, your answer should be correct. This is the company. But when you configure SAP systems, that it should be know you the what is company definition properly work. Cause the company is another parameter in SAP. So first of all, its concept is very crucial in our all lectures, in our all configurations. So that time, the smallest organization units for which individual financial statement and created accounting to the relevant legal requirements. So first of all, company and legal requirements. What are the legal requirements? Legal requirements is that first of all, maintain proper accounting report. This is the main purpose. Number two, a record of the asset and liability of the company. Next, audit report maintain, year ending report maintain, and maintain tax report. Maintain tax report. So this company concept will be clear when you discuss company code. So our next part is a company code. Okay. So next part is a company code. Company code. What is company code? Smallest organization unit of external accounting for which a complete self-contained set of accounts can be created. This includes the entry of all transactions that be posted and creation of all items for legal individual financial statements. Okay, this is the another topic of the company code. So first of all, we show you what is company and what is company code. Suppose this is a company. This is our company. Its name is Tata Group. Okay, sorry, Tata. Only Tata. They are Tata Group. So if you ask you to have any existence of Tata, if you ask you have any existence of Tata, then your answer should be yes, sir. Tata is existent company. So kindly we explained where the Tata is located. Then you will be show me, so Tata is located in Jamshedpur. But I'll not ask you any questions. I just ask you questions Tata. but you said me Tata is situated in Jamshedpur. Okay, so first of all, my opinion is that Tata is a group. In Jamshedpur, different type of Tata organization over there. Just like a Tata Steels over there. Just like a TCS over there. Just like a Tata Motors over there. So in that case, this is a single entity and Tata is a group. No existence of Tata group. Tata is a virtual concept. The existence of Tata is company code. Okay. So that case, this is a Tata group and this is Tata Motors, this Tata Steels and this TCS. So in that case, Tata Motors over there in Jamshedpur, Tata Steel over there in Jamshedpur, TCS over there in Jamshedpur. So in that case, this is our company code. This is our company code. This is our company code. CC means company. So Tata is a group. Tata is a virtual entity. No existence of Tata group. But this is a Tata Motor. This have existence. So this company code, and this company code also maintain a Tata group. So this is our legal entity. This is our legal entity. And all type of when you go for in magazines, that time magazine will show you which group is a higher growth levels. That time you will show that Life group is higher growth level, Reliance group is higher growth level, and Tata group is higher growth level. In that case, all type of business profits, all type of business, this is a single entity, all type of entities profits, all type of company codes profit also denotes its profit is Tata group profits. Tata group profits. Tata group profits. Okay, so Tata group is a company and this our company codes. So which is most important, company or company code most important? Which is important? Let we given another examples that your concept will be clear. This is you. Your name is Deepak, okay, and you are an employee of TCS, then your employee ID is 7879, okay. So if you go for an TCS and ask you who is Deepak, so that time your answer should be, your system cannot rectify the proper Deepak, because in all over world where the company is situated, then total 1 million to 3 millions to millions of Deepak also over there, millions of you over there. The system can't rectify that you are a properly those who's Deepak, who's searching for. So in that case, our employee ID is very important in that time. Your employee ID is very important that time. According employee ID, your name is unique in that case. So Deepak, this is our company. And employee ID is denote company code. So that similar things also apply in these sections. The company code also responsible. The all type of company codes also be responsible is different type of activities. Financial activity, business activity, legal entities, audit entities, audit reporting, all type of business activities, all type of accounting activities also responsible company codes. So company is not important, company code is important. Okay, this is the after client the company code, after client the company code is our basic requirement or basic pillars of our organization's units. Okay, so first of all we show you how it configure in our systems, company and company code. Okay, so first of all, this is our basic menu. This is the main menu of SAP. So the main menu of SAP. So in that case, we will show you how to configure company and company code. Okay, so first our code is SPRO, then enter. Then click SAP reference ING. Okay, then menu will be appear. In that case, you go for the interface structures, and then click definitions. Okay, then click financial accounting. Okay, then click define company. Okay, define company. So in our tutorials, show you when you create the company, that time we also copy one another company that also defined in predefined in our SAP systems. But right now our company creation is totally different. Okay. Okay. So this is our predefined. Company code. Right now we will create our own company. Right now you create our own company. So when there, you click on new entry. Company is NHAP. This is our company name. NHAP. This is the code. This is mainly maximum 5-digit code will be written down here. Then NHAP India. So when you create your entities or your company, that time this 3 parameter is very important in our upcoming configurations. If you mistake in these sections, suppose like you just choose the country, another country, and you also choose the Indian, but use language shoots English, and if you not maintain the currency, then the whole structure will be break it down. When you go for the any transaction data, that time you will face with the what's the going wrong in your system. System will be facing the error and not any type of activity in the SAP system. So SAP is the main important parameter is that currency and the country. Okay, so this parameter is very small, very little, but its concept is very high. Each and every part, when you create any and every transaction, business transactions, in every company code maintains, so that time this type of 3 parameters are very important in these sections. So this is the menu button. So in this case, currency, just click on INR. Okay, that time will save it. Wait, save it. Okay, then one window will be appear. This is a request window. In that case, this activity, which type of activity you create a company. This activity also store in client level. This type of activity also stored in client level. So when in future any authority or any another SAP consultant also search which type of configure already maintained, that time they also click on the client number and they automatically show which type of activity already maintained in the company. So in that case, he also maintain their custody or also to maintain the upcoming sections. So in that case, we click on the continue. Okay, this is the creation of our company. Company also creation. Company name is NHAP is creations. Just again we save it, then they will show it data already saved. Good. Next part, this is also create the company. This is only defined. Okay, that we again go for the create another tree. This is the company code. Create on company. Click on edit company code and then double click on edit company code data. Okay, so there same things there. New entry will be new entry. Okay, the company code or company name. Company code is NGGH. Company code. Just like a Tata Group, then your company code is a Tata Steel, Tata Motors, TCS. Okay, so company name is, this is our company code. Company name is NGGH. India. Cities. Cool. Sorry. In this time, if you want your one company, if this is one company, just like a link paying. Okay, so link is a company and is a one company code, link pin. The company and company code name should be same, it is not English. But if your company is multinationals and multi type of task activities going on, that time you also create the company name. Company name is another group and company name or company code also be another. But you have a single company, that is a company code is same. Okay, that time we click on and save it. That time one window will appear in your screen. That system will ask you just configure whole company. Configure whole company. In this titles, we click on C for company. Company name is creation region should be maintained. When you click this, then in which region the city is located, the system automatically show you the menu options. So you search its menu options. That's Mumbai for Maharashtra. Okay. In that case, you leave these sections and you go. Sorry, this postbook number is very important. Is also maintain the minimum 6 digit will be in these sections, and the system will be okay. This session is complete and system automatically save your company code in your systems. Okay, the message will be appears in your screen. Then this message will show you this company is fully created and this activity also stored at the client level. Okay, so this we configure only on, we configure a define, only define, we just only defines. But when you define, just like examples, give examples. When you define, this is a company, just like a NGGH. This is the company, and this is a company code. You just create it. We just create it. We also create company. We also create company code. But in that case, the system will not recognize what is this or what is this. We also know that this is the company, this is the company, the single company, this is the relationship between it. But system will know that. System also don't know that this is the single entity. These also know that this is the they also know that this is the single entity, no relationship between this and this. Cause we just only create definitions, only define it, only company code defined and company also defined. Company code defined and company also defined. Right now our next task is we assign this. How to assign? Okay, how to assign? So we just hide this definitions, and next we go in assignment part. When you go in assignment part, with same things we go for the financial accounting. Okay, when you go for the financial accounting, then one thing is that assign company code to company. Assign company code to company. That time the window will be appears, and my company. Okay, my company name is, so my company code is NGGH, and company also I already created and search it. Is the name of company. Yes, many of company over there. Yes, this is my company, NHAP India. Okay, and then we save it. System is showing you the message. Your request is submitted, and your company and company code also assigned. So this is our basics parameters to configure in our SAP systems company and company code. Okay. So the basic requirement company code. Company code is a basic responsibility